My name is Paul SanGiovani, and I'm honored to be a representative from the 9th Judicial Circuit on the Board of Governors for the Florida Bar. I graduated from the University of Florida in 1985, and I currently practice in Orlando with the firm of Morgan & Morgan. I practice in the area of construction and commercial law, and am happy to work with people dealing with their issues relating to construction disputes, as well as any commercial disputes that they have. I've been practicing for about 30 years. I believe it's important to be involved in the Florida Bar because the core of what we do as attorneys is to work with other attorneys. And what the Florida Bar does is it gives attorneys the opportunity to get to know each other, to work on the various social programs that the Florida Bar puts together, and to do the work of the Florida Bar outside of the context of an animosity or dispute that our clients may have. When you form a good relationship with other attorneys in the bar, you can then bring it into the framework of where we're trying to solve problems for our client, and at the end of the day, get a better result for our client. And more importantly, enjoy the practice of law. It's also important to participate in the Florida Bar in order to do what the core of the Florida Bar is supposed to do, and that is to protect the people of the state of Florida from attorneys who may not be practicing law in the most ethical way possible, and we protect the people of the state of Florida against that. As well, the Florida Bar does many outstanding social programs that I'm very proud to be a part of. The greatest challenge that I believe we are facing as a profession are the various challenges that are launched against the judicial branch of our government. As we all know, the Founding Fathers set up a form of government where you would have three separate, powerful, and equal branches of government to act as a check and balance on each other. What disturbs me, not only for our profession, but for the people of the state of Florida, are the various challenges that are launched against the judicial branch, either by limiting funding or trying to limit the authority that the judicial branch has over the other branches as we go forward. The judicial branch needs to be supported. The judges need to be funded. That judicial branch is the last bastion of hope for people very often against the powerful and the strong. So what our challenge as a profession is to continue to support the court system, and I, as a member of the Board of Governors, pledge that I will continue to do that. The reason why I decided to become a lawyer is because I enjoy practicing law. My father always said to find a profession that you love and you'll never work a day in your life, and certainly I feel that I have done that. I love the practice of law. I love sitting down with someone who may be concerned or distressed over a legal problem that they have and give them some comfort that at the end of the day we're going to find a result for them. I love working through their issues and trying to resolve their issues to get them the best result possible. And more importantly, I enjoy working with other attorneys to resolve their problem in the context of the judicial system that we have. At the end of the day, I love sitting across the table from a client and giving them a result that is going to make them happy. Just as importantly, I enjoy being a lawyer, and I entered the practice of law because I enjoy working with other lawyers. And I look forward to continuing to do that, not only for my client, but also for the people of the state of Florida.